Today I am going to explain you the new chapter, that is language of chemistry. As we are already familiar with the symbol of the element and radical, in the previous class we have learned how to write the chemical formula of the compound and equation for chemical reaction. In this chapter we learn more about chemical formula and how to balance chemical equations. We will also learn about the information obtained from chemical equation and their limitation. So now I am going to start the first topic of the chapter, that is symbol. Before going to the symbol, I want to tell you about the element. An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into the simplest substance by simple chemical reaction. Today 118 elements are known to us. Each element is represented by a unique symbol. It is an abbreviation or short form used for representing an atom of an element. Dalton was the first scientist to represent element by symbols, but the system was inconvenient. Thus, Swedish chemist John Berzelius suggests that an element can be symbolized by using one or two letters from the name of the element. Nowadays, symbols and names are approved by International Committee, that is called IUPAC. Now, before going to the symbol, I want to tell you some terms which are on the basis of this. We are just explaining the symbol. That is, some elements are derived from the first letter of the English name of the element, and they are written in capital letter. For example, symbol of oxygen is O and symbol of carbon is C. Some elements, they are derived from the first letter and another significant letter of the English name of the element. First letter is always written in the capital and the second in a small, like neon, capital N, small e, chlorine, to C for capital C for chlorine, and chlorine, L for significant letter, that is L. Magnesium, MAGNESIUM, to magnesium. So significant letter, the first letter is M and significant letter G. Significant letter is G, to magnesium. Some symbols are derived from the Latin name of the element. For example, copper, Cu, first letter capital and second is smaller, and Latin name is cuprum. And the symbol of potassium is K, coming from the kalium. So you can see in the picture which I have shown that symbol for hydrogen is H, capital letter, helium He, first capital, second smaller, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, iron Fe. Iron Fe means it is also coming from Latin name, that is ferrum. Oxygen O, fluorine F, neon Ne, sodium Na. Sodium Na means natrium, Latin name. Magnesium Mg, aluminum Al, silicon Si, zinc Zn, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, that is coming from the Latin name, that is kalium. Calcium Ca, copper Cu, cuprum, Latin name, and mercury Hg, hydrazine. Okay, that is the Latin name. So now you can see, so the symbol of the element is the first letter or the first and another significant letter of the English name or Latin name of the element. The symbol of an element represents its name and one atom. So this you can see I have given in the picture. So many elements are there and their Latin name is also given, like aluminium, English name of the element is aluminium, and the Latin and Greek name of the element is alumin. Antimony, cesium, symbol is Sb. Calcium, Clax, Ca. Copper, cuprum, Cu. Gold, Au, Au. Iron, ferrum, Fe. Lead, plumbum, Pb. Magnesium, magnesia, Mg. Mercury, hydrogen, Hg. Potassium, kalium, K. Silver, argentum, Ag. Sodium, natrium, Na. Tin, stannum, Sn. Zinc, that is zinc is zinc. So this is about the symbols. Hope you understand. That's all.